Does it hurt to have your period? Such a good question. So, as we've been talking about throughout the month, after a female body starts puberty, an egg is going to be released each month called ovulation. And what this is really starting is a process that will also start the endometrium, which is the lining of the uterus, to start forming once a month as well, in case there is a pregnancy in that body. And really, what the endometrium would do, it's like a blood-filled, kind of nutrients-filled, cushy lining that would help support a fetus if it were to develop in that body. But as we know, that's not needed if somebody's not pregnant, so the body needs to get rid of it. And the way it gets rid of it is through the period, and the period also comes once a month. But we also know that the uterus does not have hands of its own, so the uterus is going to remove the endometrium by contracting. And these contractions are what can cause discomfort in someone's body sometimes that are called cramps. So when you hear the term cramps, that's really where that's coming from. It's the contractions to get rid of the endometrium during the period. There's no discomfort when the endometrium and the unfertilized egg are expelled or coming out of the vagina during the period. Sometimes people think that, but there's actually no discomfort in that. There might be a little bit of moisture that someone can feel, but there's not actually any pain. Another thing that I do want you to know is that those contractions can also send signals to the lower back that can cause a little bit of back pain too in some people. So when I'm talking about these contractions, they can happen, they do happen in all people, but they can cause cramps in some, but not all individuals experience them. So if you do, and it's really making you uncomfortable, I definitely would say ask your trusted adults. Turn to them, ask them what their advice is. Maybe they'll recommend to get a heating pad to help with the pain, or even exercise and being active can help lessen the pain as well. So that's my best advice for you.